everyone, Nurmeet here, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting. I'm finally doing a Thredup haul. Woo! I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to order stuff on Thredup for over a year now. I've just always honestly been like super reluctant on doing it, but I finally made the order and I'm so happy with the results. So this video is going to be like a really honest haul. The first time I've really ordered on Thredup and even like looked at their items and like gone through the entire process. So I'm going to kind of explain to you guys what Thredup is and like how you can go about shopping on their app. It's super helpful and really convenient. And yeah, with that being said, let's get on with the rest of this video. So Thredup, if you guys don't know already, is the largest online thrift store. I'll put the links for the website and everything down below, but the app is really easy to use. You can like customize it based on your sizes and then also like search based on clothing categories, so it's really cool. My favorite filters personally while shopping on the app is to look at the condition, because for me I like something that's either new with tags, or there's another category called like new, which is like barely used. Those are the conditions that I like to shop my clothes in. And I also kind of look at the different styles, so you can actually search for things directly. So you can search for like tie-dye and everything that has tie-dye will come up, or you can use like the styles of like the different tops and like vintage, etc. That's kind of what I like using. I also filtered on price, so it shows like low to high, so I'm not looking at the like exorbitant prices that I don't really want. Another really cool thing you can do on Thredup is filter by brand. It's such a nice thing. You can type in like Tommy Hilfiger and you'll see all Tommy Hilfiger items, and it's honestly a really good store to find like branded items for cheap, obviously since it is like an online thrift store. A couple of the items I am gonna be showing you guys today are not from like really expensive brands, because I just wouldn't spend that money on clothes personally, even if it is discounted, but it's more from brands that like would be in more like the $30-$40 range, but they're down to the teens, so it's really cool. Another thing I want to mention is like this is an online thrift store, so obviously the prices compared to a real thrift store are a little bit higher. It's not like $2 and $4 because they have to do like packaging and like shipping and all those different things, so it's obviously not compared to thrifting. But I also feel like during a time like now with COVID and everything, it's almost like better to kind of have an online thrift option, because you shouldn't really be going into the thrift store and it's just kind of dicey. I mean, I personally wouldn't do it, so that's why I decided to finally order from Thredup during quarantine. And now I'm going to show you guys kind of the items that I got. I'm really excited. Everything fit me so well, like I'm not even joking. I had so much anxiety going through and like ordering it, because I'm always worried that things are not going to fit me, but like everything fits so well and everything is like really good condition. I'm telling you guys, it's awesome. Like I'm so thoroughly surprised, and I'm definitely gonna shop from them again if I do say so myself. I've already added things to my cart, so yeah, let's get on to see all the items I bought. So the first couple of things are just some basic tees. So I got this t-shirt, and it's like this really nice soft baby t-shirt. It's just like a kind of like a purpley gray color. It says New York, and then it says the city that never sleeps in the front. It's kind of like a basic t-shirt to be honest, but I just don't have something like this, and it's very like Brandy Melville vibes. It's got that distressed look going on, which is kind of something I wanted, to be honest. And it's actually from the brand American Eagle, and it's in the size medium. I love American Eagle. Their clothes are just so soft and like good quality. Honestly, I like really love their brand. And American Eagle, there's a ton of American Eagle clothes on Thredup, so there's a good thing about that. Okay, so the second basic t-shirt I got was this gray t-shirt. It has this like black threading around the collar part of it. It's really nice. And then there's also a little graphic in the front, and it just says Los Angeles. It's a small gray baby t-shirt, and it's in the size medium as well. So these, I just kind of like to get looser items, because normally I'm a small on top, but I don't like to wear skin tight clothes, especially when it comes to baby tees. So this is kind of like a looser, it still fits like the boob area pretty well, so that's the good part, but it's more just like looser towards the waist. And this is from the brand Kendall and Kylie, and I know it's like a PacSun brand, I think. It's just a cute little baby t-shirt. I mean, like you can't really go wrong with it, so yeah, this was the second item I got. Okay, the third t-shirt I got is probably my favorite. It's this giant like Tweety t-shirt, and it says small bird, big attitude on the breast pocket, and it has this like embroider patch of Tweety the bird looking angry. This shirt is so cute, you guys. I really wanted like a quirky, like graphic t-shirt that's like very in style right now, and I had a lot more in my cart, but this one like really spoke to me. It's from the brand Warner Bros. Studio Store, so this is like literally from Universal Studios or something, I don't know. And it's in the size adults medium. This is huge if you guys can't tell, like it's so oversized. I really wanted it that way because I wanted to kind of be able to tuck it into my bra and just like wear it super oversized. So this is a huge t-shirt. Obviously because it's like an adult size and it's not like women's. I just love this shirt so much, and I know I'm gonna be wearing it a lot, especially since fall is coming up. Also, side note, can anyone believe that it's August already? It's actually like the second week of August now, so what the hell? Like, where has the time gone? I'm genuinely so confused. I know COVID has been such a like big part of 2020, and that's probably why like everything seems to have been going so fast. It's legitimately crazy to me that it's fall now, pretty much. Like, it'll be fall in a month or whatever, but yeah, that's crazy. All right, so the last t-shirt I got, it's not really a baby t-shirt, but it is this cute little white t-shirt. It's longer, so I might crop it or just tie it when I wear it or tuck it in, whatever. It is from the Harry Potter store, so do I need to say anything else? I don't know. It's a size large. Again, I wanted this to be kind of loose, and I also kind of looked at the measurements on the website. They do have like the measurements for each clothing item, so I just measured my body based on that. So that's how I knew to get a large for this versus like a medium like I got for the other t-shirts. So I do recommend kind of having like a tape measure with you if you want it to fit like how you want it to fit. Another thing I would also recommend when looking for like online thrift store finds is just making sure that you can like measure a t-shirt that you really like. So for example, if you have a dress or a t-shirt that's like one of your favorite t-shirt fits, then you can kind of measure that and then go based on that as well. So this t-shirt is literally like, it's just so cute. It says Hogwarts and it's got the little sorting hat on top. I love Harry Potter and I just like this t-shirt. It's like very classic. It's just cute. I think it would look great like with anything literally. So yeah, there's this t-shirt. Okay, so the next item I got was a pair of pants. I was so hesitant on this pair of pants. Why did that take me so long to say? I don't know. In my life, I feel like every 4 years I've had like a good pair of like boho pants that are just so comfortable and like so cute. I'm a sucker for like bohemian looking pants because like one, you don't have to worry about underwear lines because there's so much pattern going on. Two, they're insanely comfortable. And three, it's like light and summery but can also be paired with a winter outfit. Like, and they're so cute. Like, they're just all around awesome. And I remember I had like a favorite pair of mine in high school, but obviously don't have that anymore because it's like 5 years later, so there's that. So I've been on the lookout for a boho dress, a boho pair of pants, like a good quality one for a very long time. And I remember I had gotten them from like TJ Maxx or like American Eagle, but like I didn't have the orders and like my sizes, and so I never really got it. But anyways, I found my new pair of boho pants. These are so cute. Like, I'm literally so excited. These are tapered, which is perfect because, to be honest, I'm not really into that whole like boot cut leg thing, which I used to be into in high school, so that's not really my thing anymore. But this fits perfectly with style. It's tapered but not too tapered. It's like a straight leg. It is so cute. It's black and white. The pockets are like a different color. It's like the perfect amount of looseness, doesn't constrict my waist. It's a perfect material. It's light and it's not like starchy or linen-y where like I'll have to iron it, because that's my biggest pet peeve is ironing clothes. And like the lace is like a different pattern as well, if you can see, and it's got these little silver beads around the end. And guess where it's from? American Eagle. So there you go. I got a small in these pants and I'm just so excited. Like, these are just so perfect for anything. I mean, you don't want to be uncomfortable, but you want to be cute. Like, these pair of pants have got you. So all hail mercy. I'm so excited for these. Yes. All right, so the next couple items are dresses. So excited for this. Again, I have been looking for like a perfect dress, perfect summery casual dress that like I really love for a while now. I still have the one I love right now in my closet, but it's getting so old and I'm sick of it, to be honest. So I wanted some new ones and I found them on Thredup, so yay. So the first dress I got was this, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a puff sleeve, ruffly kind of dress. Let me just like turn the sleeve inside out. Okay, so this is how it looks. it doesn't look like much from here. I don't know how to explain it, but it's got that like really popular style right now that a lot of dresses are having, which is like this scrunched up and like this little keyhole effect with the strings. And so most of those dresses are like super form-fitting, and I think there's tops like that too now, but they're just very form-fitting on the boobs and like the waist area. Again, like I said, that's not my style. I'm just not into like highlighting my body like that, and I'm too conscious to wear those kind of dress. I'm too body conscious. Like I just don't think I would look good in it. So I went for a more flowy one, and this might be too flowy for some people. It's honestly on the border of too flowy for me. It kind of makes me look like I could be pregnant, but yeah, it's just a very flowy like baby doll kind of effect. I think if there was cinching around like the boob area or the waist area, it would look a little better. But regardless, it does the job. It's a really thin fabric. I didn't really expect it to be this fabric. It kind of like sticks together, if you can see. It's kind of that like really thin cheap cotton, but I don't mind it in a dress. It's not that bad. And this whole part of the like elastic, it's actually loose enough for me to even wear off the shoulder. So it's just really cute. And again, like this is the brand MNG Suit. I don't know what that is. It's a European medium. Maybe that's why it's too big for me, because I think European sizes are bigger. Anyways though, this is just a cute dress. I think I'll have a lot of fun with this like in the summer, just as like a light cover up for the beach, and in the fall I think it would look great paired with black combat boots. I'm a sucker for wearing like really girly dresses with black combat boots. I think it looks so cute. It's just the balance of like the different tones. Adorable. So yeah, that's this dress. Okay, so the second dress I got was this cotton kind of like dark blue, navy, red and white striped dress. I'm not a fan of like really classic colors and patterns, but I honestly thought this dress was really cute. Another thing I'm not a fan of is razorback, but for some reason I like this dress. I think it's just because it's so comfortable. Again, this is from Zara and it's a size USA medium. Yeah. Was made in Morocco. Interesting. But this is such a comfortable dress. It's like a very nice tank top dress. It flares out, but it's not too fitting on the waist, which is like perfect for me. It's just a very cute dress. It's super light, cotton, it's ribbed, it's not see-through, but it's like perfect. I think it would look so cute with like a denim jacket, to be honest, and 4th of July. But I just thought this would be a good dress, and I don't really see myself wearing it too much out of the house because it's not really my style, but I think like for me, in the summer, my favorite thing is to wear like cotton summer dresses at home. It's just so easy. You just have like one article of clothing and you're done for the day. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. All right, you guys, so the last piece of clothing I have is this dress. I am so happy about this dress. I actually wore it already this weekend, so there's that. But it's this cute boho piece. It's got this like adorable stitching around the collar area, and the sleeves, hello, like these bell sleeves are just gorgeous. The pattern is amazing. Like what? It's just so cute. It's a perfect like baby doll fit. Again, it could be more cinched at the boob, but like I don't know. I like it. It's perfect. Like I literally ate so much when I wore this weekend, and I survived, and I felt awesome because of this dress. And that's exactly what I wanted, is like a flowy dress that I can eat in and not care about or not feel like uncomfortable or whatever. So this is a beautiful dress. Like it's literally, I don't even have to say more about it. It's just a gorgeous like boho piece, and to be honest, I feel like this is too country or like festival for a lot of people, but I really like it and I just love it. Again, this dress would look so cute in the fall because it's got the fall colors, and it would look good with black combat boots again, or even like knee-high boots if that's a vibe. But yeah, so that's gonna be it today, guys. I just wanted to show you my haul from Thredup. Again, like I said, I was really, really pleasantly surprised by all of the items. I did not expect them to be like so well fitting. I thought at least like one of the items I'd have to return because like it would be too big or too small or something like that, but they all turned out really good, and the quality, amazing. It shipped in about 2 weeks, so I think that's perfect for like this time that we're going through right now. So yeah, I'm really excited to wear all these items outside, and I hope you guys shop at Thredup too. I don't have a discount code, unfortunately, because I think you gotta be like relevant. But yeah, I really encourage you guys, if you guys are looking for like quick thrift finds and you're not really comfortable going to the thrift store, check out Thredup. It's just a great option, and you can filter so much. Like it's just awesome. Also, they have like so many things on their website. Like even when you filter, there's like 1,000 results and it takes forever to go through it. So I definitely recommend going through it because there's just an unlimited amount of things on the website. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!